Welcome back. In our second video, we're going to discuss how to find articles by using keywords in the Minds library databases. So again, I'm going to start on the library's homepage, but this time, instead of jumping into the catalog or a particular database, I'm going to start with a research guide. The research guides are great tools if you're unsure about the specific databases in your field, or if you'd like to get some more tips and information related to your specific topic. It is really good practice to begin any research, especially if you're unsure of the topic, in the research guide related to your discipline or topic. Looking at our list of databases, I'm going to go into Engineering and Technology. And I'm going to select the Hydrology and Water Resources guide, because I think I'd like to explore an article related to hydrology for my project. Once I'm in the guide, I go straight to the Find Articles tab because I know those databases will have the high-quality scholarly articles that I need for this project. I can see a list of suggested databases here, and I'm going to use Greenfile. Now, if you're off campus, you'll hit a page that looks like this. This authenticates you as a Minds user and enables you to get into all of our materials for free. Once I've entered my Minds credentials, I'm taken right to the database. So today I'm going to search for drought mitigation in the American Southwest. I use quotes to keep American Southwest together when I'm searching. Now once I've done a search, I want to find items with this icon, Academic Journal. But just remember, we're looking for the features of a scholarly article. So sometimes you'll see very, very short things that aren't scholarly articles in academic journals, such as letters to the editor or editorials or book reviews. However, this item looks promising. It's in Global Change Biology from 2017, so I can open it up and explore further. I like to look at the subject terms to see if it's on topic for me. Over here on the left side is where I can get to my full text, and most importantly, I can grab a citation, permalink, or even dump it into my Google Drive to save it so that I have it for later. These have been just a few tips for finding scholarly research articles in the databases. If you have any problems or can't find the items that you're looking for, don't forget to reach out to me.